of love is long and boring. No one can lift the thing, but I think that's fortunate, really, so they don't read it on the train. 'Cause I have an issue with pornography being read by old women publicly. 50 Shades of Grey is a smutty magazine. I have no issue with women's sexuality, but please keep it off the train. 'Cause I don't read sluts with busty jugs when I stand beside you on the bus. So if you want to look at pornography, I suggest that you do it alone, like every other guy who masturbates at home. But maybe I'm just slightly jealous that it's not me you're thinking of. When Christian whips a woman, it's sexy, but when I do it, you call the cops.